want to start any free Bitcoin like this and you don't have any money to invest on it, this is exactly what you need. Hey guys, Adeyemi Oluwaseyin is here today. So on this video today, I'm going to show you the step-by-step guide on how you can be earning free Bitcoin and mining free coin every day. All right. So there is a coin called BTCs. So the BTCs is going to be like second of Bitcoin because Satoshi, the person that actually created Bitcoin, is the one that created this BTS coin, and right now everybody can be mining it for free. Yes, for 100% free. All right, and as you are mining it 100% free, you'll be earning Bitcoin as a benefit on a daily basis. I have a proof here, as you can see right here. Actually, a friend told me about it and he showed me all the proof, and and I have my reason why I quickly want to make this video so that you, my friend, will not miss this exclusive opportunity. All right, so now as you can see, this guy has mined around 72.4 BTCs, as you can see it right here. And as this guy is earning mining it is any free Bitcoin on a daily basis, and the worth of Bitcoin that mine is $154, which you can withdraw instantly. All right, though the BTS has no value right now, but as time goes on, we have a value. All right, so, and as you can see, let me just scroll. So this guy has mined $154, has received benefit of $154 worth of Bitcoin, and as it is going, and it would make a withdrawal here, right? And the withdrawal was successful right here, right? And you can see 0.00355, and as you can see it here, the withdrawal was on pending right here. Withdrawal was on pending right here, and when it got to this place, he received it on Binance. As you can see, he received the coin on Binance, and this is the confirmation that he received the coin on Binance. All right, so you received the coin on Binance right here. So now, guys, what you need to do is just to go to the join my Telegram group. All right, you see the link that you're going to click on there to start mining free BTS and also receive free Bitcoin on a daily basis. Now immediately I have started, of course. So you're going to do, it's called the Satoshi Emistro, as you can see. So this is the app. All you need to do after you click on the link on my inside just make sure that you join the Telegram group. So once you join the Telegram group, you're going to see the link there. I'm going to put the link there because if I put it on the description right here, it might not be clickable. I don't know. Well, so if you join the group, it's not going to be just click on it or copy it to your browser and click on it. Then you need to register. After you have done the whole registration, it will ask you to do your verification because of it's actually required for verification, like entering your driver's license, your maybe I don't know if voters card is going to work, maybe NIN, the plastic, then the international passport, accept that as well. All right, so after you have done that, it will ask you to install your application, which this application right here. So once you install this application, then the next thing you're going to do is just to come to this mining right here. So you just need to go to the mining, click on mining. Then we ask you to, you see, click mining. You're not going to see it like this. It asks you to click mining, right? So then it will start mining. As you can see that I'm mining on a daily basis and I'm getting free Bitcoin on a day 3. I'm getting Bitcoin on a daily basis. All right, and I'm already mining BTS. These are the BTS that I'm mining. And as you can see, participating in 61 blocks. Once it gets 150 blocks now, it will stop. But I don't even let it get to 150 blocks. So what I'm going to do right here, and I want you to see this place, 0.14826. Then what you do is just to click on the receive BTCs. So everything is going to be added. As you can see, if you are looking at this place that is added, all what has been mining has been added, right? Okay, then I want to receive today's free Bitcoin. So we'll be seeing on a daily basis like receive benefit. Then what you do is just to click on receive benefit, and the BTC is going to be added to your assets. click. So I'm gonna click on this receive benefit. Receive benefit. I don't know why is it not going. Why is it not clickable? It's supposed to. All right, I will still come back right there. Okay, so we have you can see I've been mining right here, and the BTC has been accumulating on a daily basis. All right, and I've been mining here right here already. It does not require any data as well. It's just like normal or this mining app like Python app. So that's exactly how it works as well. So then you have to see, as you can see, I just started and I'm already mining all these, and the Bitcoin has been coming into this as well. So go back, let me go back to this place and click on. All right, as you can see that I just click on received this. As you can see, received benefit, successfully received 0.0147. But before you know, it's going to become money, right? Because you are not spending any money. Yeah, it does not really need any data. All right, so I clicked right there, so everything is going to be accumulate on my free BTC right here. So I'll just be accumulating the BTC there while I'm also mining the BTS right here. So once you see now another, so this thing has been, I started mining another BTC right here. So you can see that it has already started mining. So I want so it will start showing what I've been mining, to be putting them right here. So when I'm available to receive everything, so that I can be gathered, accumulate on my assets right here. So all you need to do is just to click on receive BTCs right here. So let me just let us just wait like a minute and see what's gonna happen. Let's just wait like a minute. So let's just wait like a minute and see how it's going to, show all that you're actually mining your coins, your BTCs coins right here. So you can see the mining will automatically suspend at this top. If I have 150 blocks, if you have 1 block now, it will show here. 2 blocks, it will show. 3 blocks, it will show. But I want it to show right here. All right, I want it to show right here. So maybe I should just pause it. So when it shows, then I will now I do what click show you how you're gonna do it. I have done it before when you see that everything was accumulating right here. So if you are new right here, please if you are new to this channel, I want you to click on subscription button, click on the notification button, like this video, share this with your friends. And this channel is all about showing different opportunities online that you can follow to make money, either free opportunity or paid one. So that is what this channel is actually all about. And my own name is Adeyemi Oluwaseun. All right. So then, as you can see, I'm still mining. It will start showing right here to see this action. So tomorrow I'm going to receive another free BTC right here, and that one is withdrawable, but you can't withdraw BTCs right now because it's still not in market. And the reason why I actually want you to quickly make this video is that this thing is going to be, total supply is going to be 22.1 billion. All right, and right now it's already 212.83 million. Okay, so that is the total supply. So before it gets saturated and finished, that is why I'm quickly said, I'm quickly going to show this to those who are interested in my channel, right? So that you too can mine some and also benefit some free Bitcoin, since it's not something that you are putting money on or spending money on it. So this is what I have for you guys. All you need to do right now is just to join my channel, my group, Telegram group. Click on the link there. You see the link there to register. All right, so once you're done to register, do the verification, then install the app, then you start mining immediately. If you have any issue about this, you can just go to the comment section below and ask me a question. I'll be available to answer you immediately. And aside that, you can also recruit, right? You can also tell your friends about it and earn more. Actually, I cannot say anything about recruiting, how much you are going to earn. All right, but I know that it helps you to make more money from this application. So what you need to do is just to go to this recruit recruit miner. Okay, just go to that recruit miner. You click on that recruit miner. You're gonna see a link right here. The link is loading. URL loading. Loading. The URL is still loading. I don't know. Maybe it's network. It's loading. Oh, the URL is still loading. It's a network. Let me click on it. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. So it's anyway, because I don't know what is wrong with it. So anyway, the link will be available right here. That is, if you want to share it with your friends, then all you need to do is just to click on copy URL and send it to your friend. Then your friend will start mining as well. And I think as it is mining, I think you also be earning 10% of hash rate, 10% of hash rate. Well, I don't understand that one much about that one. My own is just that you too can also start mining BTS, because the same can also go, you can do your research about BTS mining. You can do your research on it and see, more about it. You can also see that also have a white paper right here. They have white paper, so you can also go through the white paper. So let me just click on the, all right, so can you see the link is available right now? So this is exactly a link that I'm going to share with you on my Telegram channel, right? So all you need to do is just to click on the first link on my description below. You see the Telegram channel link there, click on it, then you join. Then if you're already inside the Telegram group, rather, you're already inside the Telegram group, then you're going to see the link immediately I post the video below. So all you need to do is just to click on this link, then you start registration, then start mining, making free Bitcoin, making free BTCs. All right. So that is all what I need out for you guys today. Thank you very much. I remain yours at DME Oluwaseun. Thank you. See you later. Then the forex, the Fiverr tutorial that I promised you, I'm still piling up everything. By God's willing, between tomorrow and next tomorrow is going to be dropped. Thank you very much. I remain at DME Oluwaseun. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for your love. Click on subscription button, share it with your friend, like this video. Thank you. Bye.